Hi guys. So sorry I couldn't be here today. Um, Maybe you're glad about that. But what you're going to do today is something a little different. We're not doing robotics because, of course, the substitute could not check. So we will continue and wrap that up on Monday, and your final tests will begin Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, while all of that is going on. But you come into your tile in Schoology, and you're going to find the periodic table folder. Periodic table folder. What you're going to have in that folder is several things. You're going to have periodic table resources, which is a actual periodic table. I do believe you have one maybe in your school agenda, as well as you can Google one yourself if you don't like this one. I believe you can download it by clicking on the file if you want to see it bigger on your own computer. So that would blow it up, and then I can zoom in once it is full screen. So that's up to me too. So I can zoom in to see those. So that's one resource for today's activity that you have access to. The second thing that you have access to are the articles on the periodic table. So article info. This is going to help you with most of the questions. This is an article about the periodic table telling you about what the elements represent and the pieces of those. So when I click on this, not only is there another copy of the periodic table, but it breaks it down. Why is it called that? What a group is, the abbreviations, who invented it, and it shows you that right here. It also breaks down the symbols, where the atomic number is, the name, the atomic mass, and the chemical symbol. So it breaks all of that down for you. And then the other article that I also inserted into the resources today is about elements and how to find out how many protons, neutrons, and electrons are in that element. So it tells you what the atomic number represents, which is the number of protons in the element. So if my atom of gold is number 79, it would have 79 protons. Or hydrogen, which is number 1, would have 1 proton. Okay. It also tells me about families of elements, and again, another copy of it. Periods, it shows me the groups go vertically and the periods go horizontally across, and it gives me those numbers. So I might need those numbers for a portion of the assignment. So that's that. You also have the internet. So if you can't find one of the items that you need on the 2 articles, you can also use the internet to help you solve those things. So if I go back into the folder, the activity that you're actually working on is the Harry Potter pixel art. There are 3 pixel arts in this assignment. You must complete 2 to receive full credit for the assignment today. And the third one, if you do it, is worth bonus points. So let me open up the assignment. When you open it up, and it's not there yet, I'm just going to find it in my Google Drive. Here we go. It looks like this. Okay. This is what one, it opens up to this clean challenges, Harry Potter. And down at the bottom, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of your screen, you can see the 3 challenge tabs. So I'm on challenge 1 right now. If I click on challenge 2, it opens up the second pixel art, and challenge 3 opens up the third. I must complete 2 of those. I can choose any 2. If I want to do 1 and 3, I can. 2 and 3, I must choose 2 of them. When I type the question answers into the box, so you're using as well the abbreviations. So what element has 56 protons, for example? So if I come to my periodic table and look up item number 56, because I learned from those resources that the periodic table, the number of protons is the atomic number. So if I come into my tile and I go to those articles, or I just go to the periodic table image, that's what I need. Okay. Again, when I download it, I can zoom in because I want to be able to see element 56 is what I need. 56, it looks like, is BA. Okay. And then I'm going to come over to my Harry Potter pixel art. If I type capital B, lowercase a, then the tiles appear or the color appears telling me that the answer is correct. So make sure as you're typing every answer, that color is appearing because the picture won't be complete if you don't get the answers correct. Okay. Again, 2 of the 3 you must complete for credit. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via email. There's also a link to a periodic table in the assignment. Just realized that, which is also a great feature. And this one's even clearer. And if you highlight them, it even tells you on the left-hand side facts about them. Okay? This is a great one. If you have any questions, again, email. And make sure you do participation. And don't forget, all late work is due by today. And I will see you on Monday.